Hello and welcome to a new unboxing video. I'm Fatui and this here is the Xbox Series S, which not a lot of people have bought. And the Series S and somewhere around I think I've seen the X still available. So this here is launch day. It's Tuesday, November 10th. I ordered this here last Saturday and got it today on launch day. So, and I think there are more available where I am. So the Xbox is not as popular as the PlayStation. The PlayStation is sold out immediately. But let's take a look what's inside here. Not a lot of people are actually covering this one here. The reason for that is it doesn't have a disk drive. The hard disk space is horrible. And yeah, it's technically it's not worth the purchase, other, in my opinion, if you want backwards compatibility and you have a good internet connection. Because this here is pretty much going to replace my 360. And I can play it on that. Now, you're probably wondering why it doesn't have a disk drive. Correct. But Game Pass, and I can buy some of the games that I have, which are mainly games that are actually on Game Pass, and I have Game Pass for PC already. I can just upgrade it for a little bit more and get them here. And that means also I can play games that are console exclusive for Xbox. So enough about the reasons. Let's dig into it. So I can see there is something here and something here. So let's see. How do I open this here sucker? I think actually it is sealed here, and I have my knife. So we're gonna do that. Is it sealed here? Yes, it is. I have paper cuts all over me. And that's also always nice. And it's probably also sealed here. Okay. Do that. Okay, so I'm probably guessing it's gonna do something like this. There we have it. Boy, that's small. It's the size of the Switch almost. Probably thinner, but oh, it's heavy. That's for sure. Okay, Xbox. Where's the controller? It's probably below. No. Oh, it's here. It's just like, where's the controller? It's a controller with it. So it comes with, of course, a power supply. This here is standard EU power supply. This here is a HDMI 2.1. So you should use the cable that it comes with to get the 4K 120 frames per second. This here is actually 2K, or UHD is actually not original 2K. And then you have the controller here. We're going to take a look at the controller a little bit. And I think that's pretty much it. It comes with it's AA batteries because Microsoft doesn't care about the environment yet. We have some Ethernet, USB, HDMI. We have the expansion port, and expansion drives are actually out today, and they cost as much as this here console, so it's not worth it. I'm probably gonna wait till a new revision comes out and then upgrade it, and then actually upgrade it maybe to a disk drive if I find the console is worth it. Because I skipped the whole Xbox One thing because I just didn't care. I thought it was useless and a waste of time. And I had a PC, and I still have a PC, and that is my primary source. But there are games on Game Pass that are not available on PC for some strange reason, but that's just how it is. For instance, Devil May Cry 5, it's not a Game Pass game, but that's actually out today, special edition. That's not available on PC. Well, it is, but not all the features, and that's because Capcom is a stupid company sometimes. I actually don't own the game at all. I actually want to play it, and I waited for the best version, and that's probably going to be PS5, in my opinion. Okay, so standard cable looks pretty okay. Nothing special about that, no indicators, but recommendation, use this here. I'm going to use this here for today. Controller Oh, it comes with batteries. Nice. Batteries included. That's at least some good things. There we go. AA batteries. Yeah. Okay, D-pad. It's not bad. Boy, these sticks here are small. Yeah, it's the same crap as always. I like the clickiness, you have to say, but let's go over here and look at this one here. This here is a PS4 controller DualShock, but it's modded, so this here makes this here is for Battle Beaver Customs. This here is modded, so you can see it's not concaved, it's convex. The sticks are oval instead of the other thing, which I can't figure out now. You can see this here is actually not triggers, it's buttons on both of them. And it's the same here. This here has been upgraded, and this here is not a D-pad where you can see if I click down, it doesn't actually click all the stuff. So the D-pad is fully cut off with that. So from a comparison standpoint, I still think this here is better. These here are too small for my fat thumbs, and I hate the concave because my fingers get sore from it. But yeah. Okay, so that's that. Let us look at the console itself. Probably not a lot to see here. So we have a power button, or no, that's the sync button. USB in front, Ethernet, USB in the back, HDMI, expansion port, power. It looks like the power brick is built into it. There's a Kensington lock, and I'm guessing the power button is right here. That's that. And it can stand upright. No, it can't because there is... Well, it can, but you can see it has feet here, but there's also exhaustion here. So I'm actually going to lay it down probably like this. So yeah, I'm actually... And it has feet in the bottom, so that's cool. Nothing here. So yeah, it's going to be interesting seeing how this here is. And firing it up and all that good stuff. Still has that weird connector here, but it has a jack in for microphone and headset. This here just slides off as normal, etc, etc. So yeah, so that's the Xbox Series S so far. Small, compact, and let's see if it's worth it. Contact me on Twitter, hit that like button, and also subscribe button if you want to see more of stuff that I upload, and also check out other videos that I have. I have some performance benchmarks on different things, and yeah, leave a comment below if you also picked one up, or X or a Series X or whatever. Okay, later guys.